Tonya from Swiss Family Fun. Today we're in Liechtenstein. We are doing the Fürstin-Gina-Weg in Malbun. We've taken a chairlift up to this ridge trail and we will be hiking all along this ridge to these peaks and then back down to our car in the valley in Malbun. So come along with us on the trail today. I will put a link in the description to our website where I have all the details for this trail, including a trail map and directions on how to get here. Now let's get on the trail. We're on trail 995, Fürstin-Gina-Weg, Malbun. Here we go. This might be my new favorite ridge trail. It is so gorgeous, and end of July is perfect time to come look at all these wildflowers. It's so great up here. I thought it would be kind of stupid, like many trails, because you can see the little village kind of the whole time because you're in this arena, but I'm wrong. It's gorgeous. Look at this. We're climbing up to these peaks behind us. Yay, can't wait to get there. There's a tiny little cable here just to be safe. We skipped this little detour to the peak, but a few people went up there. We are going to that peak up there, the top. Can you see the cross? I'm not going to go off the cliff. We're going to go on the other side of the cliff here. We made it to the highest point at the peak there in about an hour and 20 minutes. Now we're descending to the hut and then traversing around the mountain. Let's see how it goes. I'm always nervous when I get to a snow patch because they often will have little rivers under them and then you can crack through. And I have cracked through before and sprained my ankle, so I'm really careful. Getting us to the hut. I would love to stay the night there. That is gorgeous. Nice to have a little fence here. Thank you. Are they open? I wish we could have stayed in that hut. It's so cute. I'm gonna have to book it for next year. Love it, and the view is just so nice here. So we're about halfway, and now we're gonna hike down, down, down back to our car in Malbun. love this trail, couldn't love it more. I hope you liked it too. I will put a link in the description below to our website where I have all the details for this trail, and we'll see you here next time for more hiking in Switzerland.